Hello everyone! So we are moving into our second week of the required online learning. So this week you also heard about grading last week. So I just wanted to start by talking about what that is going to somewhat look like as Miss Holstead and I are still figuring that out. So everything that we assign in some way is going to be graded. Just some things will be for you to help improve your grade, and then others will be critical assignments that you need to do. Otherwise, you could get incomplete in the course. So this week you have one critical assignment and then two grade improvement assignments. So this is because that we are still covering critical material for your understanding of standards before you move on to the next math unit or take the SBAC or SATs as you get older, or some of these things will be used in jobs depending on what career you go into. So we are going to make sure that we try and, make things as engaging as we can without that personal connection in class. So the grade improvement assignments you can see down here are your typical homeworks that you have, and this should be unhighlighted. Quickly get rid of that for you. These two assignments are going to help you do well on the critical assignment. So even though they're not a make or break your grade necessarily, they will help you improve your grade. So if you have a D right now in the class, you could bring it up by completing these and doing well on the assessments. So make sure that you are doing everything still, and if you have questions, reach out to us. You have 2 videos to watch. Those are on YouTube. I made them. And then you have a blank copy of notes to follow along on if you want, or you can just do it on a blank piece of paper. And then there are the keys for the notes as well as watching along on the video. The quiz that you have on Monday is covering the 8.1 and 8.2, so the material we covered last week. It is only available on Monday. So it's on your book. You'll log into your online book just like normal, and you'll see a new assignment that says 8.1 and 8.2 quiz. You'll click on it. It'll be available from 7 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So basically 7 a.m. to almost midnight. If for some reason you are unable to take the quiz during this time, please email both Ms. Holstead and I, and we will work with you. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold an office hour via email, so you can email me anytime between 7 and 9 a.m. and I'll respond to you fairly quickly. So if you have any questions that you want to ask before you take the quiz, I am there for you. And then you'll go about like we were pretty much last week, watching a video and then having a work day, watching a video and having a work day. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me and Miss Holstead, and we will help you any way that we can. Hope you all are doing well, and we miss you. And if you have questions about the grading, please be patient with Miss Holstead and I, as we found out the information the same time you did, so we are still working out how exactly that is going to look, especially about the final and all of that. So please be patient. Thanks.